Sample number 6. Find the area of a rectangle that has a dimension of 8 meters by 3 meters. Ngayon magdodrawing tayo ng rectangle. Ang length natin ay 8 meters. Ang width natin ay 3 meters. Ngayon, ikukuha natin yung formula ng rectangle. A equals length width. Open parenthesis, 8 meters minus 3 meters, close parenthesis. 8 times 3. 8 meter times 3 meter. 8 times 3 equals 24. 24 meter. Ang sagot natin ay 24 meter